Hello guys, I am V Sai Srinivas of 10th class from Math Man. So today I will be telling you a story, The Fisherman and His Wife. Once upon a time there was a fisherman who lived with his wife at a cottage near the cliff. Every day the fisherman goes near the cliff and starts fishing. The cliff was near to a sea, so it was an advantage to him. His wife was unhappy and always complained about their life, the cottage they lived in, and also how poor they were. The fisherman only wanted his wife to be happy and he was willing to do anything. He always felt sad seeing his wife. One day he went to fishing and suddenly his bait was successful. The pull was strong. He expected the fish to be very big, but when he pulled his hook out of the water, it was a tiny glowing fish. It was talking. The fish said that it was an enchanted prince and it had magical powers. The fisherman didn't kill it and let it go. He said what happened to his wife. His wife was angry at him. She wanted the fisherman to ask the fish for a wish. The wife said him to ask the fish that she wanted a big house. Next day, the fisherman went near the sea and shouted the magical fish. It came and granted his wish. He only did this because he wanted his wife to be happy. And when he returned, there was a mansion next to his wife. So he was amazed seeing the cottage becoming a big mansion. Next, she was unhappy. She was still unhappy. She wanted to be a queen and live in a big palace. The fisherman went to the fish and said his wife was unhappy and she wants a palace and become queen this time. The fish granted his wish, and when he returned, she was sitting on a throne in a big palace. So he took rest because he was tired from running. The wife was unable to sleep because she didn't know what she wanted, and next day she wanted to become an emperor. Her husband, the fisherman, went to the fish reluctantly and said his wife was unhappy and wanted to become an empress. The fish granted his wish and she became an empress. Still, his wife was unhappy. She said she wanted to control the power of the sun and moon and she wanted to become almighty. He went to the fish and said it, and the fish granted the wish. When he returned to the palace, she disappeared because Almighty didn't exist, and so thus she disappeared. He went to the fish and begged that he doesn't want any money and he only wants his wife to be happy. So he went back and his wife was next to a small cottage. His wife realized that money isn't important to be happy. After that, they lived happily ever after. Thank you.